You're spending hours making shorts. Here are 10 tools that cut that down to minutes. 1. Opus Clip. It finds the best moments, cuts them, adds captions, and scores each clip on virality. If you have a podcast or long-form channel, this alone gives you 10 shorts per video, but most people are still cutting manually. 2. InVideo AI. It writes the script, picks footage, adds voiceover and captions, exports a finished short. If you run a faceless channel, this is your entire workflow, but people sleep on it because it sounds too simple. 3. Beat sync, background removal, auto reframe for vertical, all free. If you're not using the script to video feature, you're missing half the app, but the mobile version alone saves 45 minutes per video. 4. Captions.ai. It fixes your eye contact in post, removes every filler word, auto captions, everything. If you film yourself and look away from the lens, nobody will know after captions. But most creators still don't know this app exists, and if you're finding this useful, subscribe to Beyond Google so you don't miss the next one. 5. ElevenLabs. Pick a voice or clone your own. Get studio quality voiceover in seconds. If your channel is faceless, this is non-negotiable. HeyGen redubs it in any language with matching lip sync. If you want to reach a Spanish or French audience, your one video becomes 3. But most creators are still stuck making content for one language. 7. Runway. Describe a shot. Get AI-generated cinematic B-roll in seconds. If you need visuals you can't film, drone shots, slow motion, abstract scenes, Runway renders them, but it costs credits, so use it for hero shots only. 8. Kling AI. If you're on a budget, Kling does what Runway does, at no cost, but the output quality genuinely surprises people the first time they use it. 9. Descript transcribes your video perfectly. You edit the text, the video edits itself. Delete a word, that clip disappears. If you record talking head content, this cuts your edit time by half. But the real trick is the AI voice clone. It fills in words you never said. 10. Pika Labs. Upload any still image. Pika animates it. Camera moves, subject moves, background shifts. If you have a product photo or AI-generated graphic, this turns it into a video clip instantly, but most people use it wrong. It's best for openers and transitions, not full scenes.